Fear and greedy index dropped to extreme low, and the most important question, what could be the next? Let's break down market analysis. Let me show to you where we can take trades on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top coins. For a start, as always, few words about our previous analysis. It was a plan that I shared within our community. It was exactly here. A few days ago, I shared this plan to take short Thursday, 11th of December. I wrote that price of BTC took range high, and because of that, I thought that price would go down to take range low. It was inevitable because it's obvious where most of the liquidity are. And after that, you can see I wrote in the case of range, take short with such targets. First target, it is swing low and entire range low. You can see that Bitcoin did quite significant drop. Let's come back. BTC did drop exactly after a range and nearly took this entire range low. If some of you followed that plan, it would be really nice at this moment to close big part of position to be completely risk-free. Main reason why at this moment it's a dangerous place, because if we build volume profile, we would see that price exactly below value area low. Because of that, there could be pullback at any moment. That's why you must be careful. Let's discuss what could be the next. Before I ask you to push like right now and go down, follow me on my public Telegram, because every free video analysis that we share with you, you will get exactly here, and you never miss any update and any free video lessons that I share with you. What about next and what about BTC? I would like to show you the same plans that I shared within our community. First, main problem, price at this moment for quite long period of time inside of a range, and often range go on. Remember a golden rule, you follow a trend until it breaks. At this moment, price so close to value area low, and from my point of view, there's quite significant chance that price could still rotate inside in this range, because without significant bull trap, it's difficult to make significant drop. I would be so happy to see massive bull trap, only after that big drop, because global trend on BTC is still down, and our major idea is that we need to follow this downtrend. Yes, we need to follow, but the most important question, where to take trade with low predictable risk. And once more, that's why, let me summarize to you. At this moment, I think there could be some pullback. I would be happy to see a significant bull trap above 95 up to 100K, because it is a key sell zone. And after that only, I would be happy to be in a short position, because if price would take above 95, after that, there could be a significant drop below 74, because I think we're still in this downtrend, and price could be in a range for additional month, and only after that, for example, make a drop. But major target of this entire uptrend, downtrend, my apology, it is below 50K. I still think that within several months we will reach below 50K, and I would like to follow the target. But we need to trade wisely. That's why, summary to you, what exactly we can trade. If at this moment, let's go back to open interest. You can see we have quite significant open interest build up. In the case of some stop loss hunt, if price would make stop loss hunt, that could be potentially good long trade to retest POC at 90K. What will be after that, time will show. Key sell zone 94, 95. And second option for a short only, it is if price break below value area low of entire range and start consolidating below 85K, and consolidate here for at least several days. Only in that case, it would be possible to take short as a breakdown from value. That's why, once more, that's the plan. Let's go back to other plans. Remind to you that on systematically basis, we share clear signals with our community where to take trades, to make money, and to be profitable. And the same with BTC. I wrote to our community members that we take short. Even during last live session, we shared short trade, if you remember that. If that's what you are looking for and you would like to receive such plans systematically, take trades with us, what you do below this video, there would be special link get VIP signals and join our community, special form. You fill it, write your name, email, phone number with international standard, and after that, my team will help you join our community to make money together with us. Let's go to other top coins: Ethereum, Solana, Ripple, Hyperliquid. Ethereum price rejected from range high. Global trend still down. I think minimum goal for this downward trend for Ethereum would be to take 2K to retest this imbalance. I think it would be our end goal of this entire. It's like minimum goal, because who knows? Maybe if there would be some bad news, price could go even lower. But that's what I expect as a minimum target. But again, most of you would ask me, where is the best place to take short? Right now, price is at very area low of this local range. It's not a good place. The best place, it is one of this. It is 34.30. It is first area where it's possible to take short. And second area, it is, of course, 36.43. It is the two key areas where it is the best to take short. Right now, it's not the best place. Right now, what we can do in this very moment, we can do the same as on BTC. If price creates some open interest absorption, there could be some local rise to retest even value area high. Only clear breakdown below and consolidation for several days could be a signal to take a down trade to take 26.25. That's my plan for the next several days. The next one, Solana. Solana is at this entire range low, beautiful range for entire month. For how long? 31 day price moves inside in a range 17%. Honestly, it's a beautiful range. At this moment, the most important question, price is at this entire range low. Will there be breakdown real or fake? From my point of view, often such breakdowns are fake. That's why if price take liquidity from this entire range below 123, and there would be clear signal of absorption, there could be rise back to retest significant VWAP. I still think that the greatest place to take short, it would be from uncapped VWAP since this entire range high. It is the best place for a short trade. Minimum target for this downtrend, I think minimum it would be to take low of 95. Maximum it's retest of this imbalance that started this uptrend, which is around 40-50 area. But it could take several months before price actually reach it. That's why once more, in the case of bear trap, you could take long with a target range high or even VWAP. At VWAP, it would be the best place to build significant short position and keep it for weeks or even days. Ripple, I think it is clearly that this coin is in this downtrend. Still, there's still a lot of space for a drop. Minimum it is to retest 80 cents, $1. I think one day we will go take it. Simply, in the case of range, around 197, we look for a short trade, something like this. You simply look for a short trade. After that, price create a new range, we look for a new short. New range, we look for a new short. That's what I expect for the next several months on Ripple. Of course, it will be always better to take shorts after some clear bull traps. Hyperliquid, I did, what about Hyperliquid? Coin also in this powerful downtrend. I must be honest with you, I tried to take long on Hyperliquid 2 times. What was the reason behind that? Let me explain to you, because I must be honest, we don't have 100% win rate with all our signals. We have approximately 50% win rate with our signals. And what I did, I tried to take Hyperliquid 2 times, my risk per position 500 at this moment. And what I did exactly, Hyperliquid, as you can see, started this local range, and there was massive open interest rise. And honestly, I thought it would be the same as when I traded Ripple and catched reversal of the of entire trend on Ripple. If you remember, I will show to you example within a few seconds. And that's a reason why at range low I tried to take long and failed, but still we have massive open interest build up on Ripple. Often such volume build up must accelerate the price because someone must be liquidated. If there would be no liquidation, it would be a signal that all of this volume was for absorption. As you know, at this moment, I got my stop loss. Because of that, I would like to wait. If Hyperliquid come back above 30 and start consolidating, honestly, it would be possible to take long. But globally, what I think globally about this coin, let's delete all of this. Globally, this coin, as all other coins, is in downtrend. Globally, I think the best place for short would be, of course, around first VWAP deviation, which played out before perfectly, and around VWAP. It is the key places where could be the best, and after that continue of a downtrend. For Hyperliquid, I still think that there could be, let's go. In the end, I still think $10, $15, it's minimum target for this downtrend for Hyperliquid. Honestly, I would be happy to see it around 5, because around 5, I would definitely build a spot portfolio. At 5, I would be happy to buy it on a spot. That's why what you do at this moment, my dear community, at this moment, once more, wait for BTC, because if Bitcoin reject from this open interest and will go up to take stop losses of these people, most of the coins would follow. At this moment, push like, follow me. And here I prepared for you a video lesson where I showed to you beautiful examples on Ethereum, how I took trades with open interest and how I made more than 1,000 USD during 2 days. For you, it would be best examples, because when you see how other people trades, you can build your own strategy that will help you to be profitable. Have a good day. Bye.